So when we cut out all the excess, before we turn it round, we are going to stitch the two sections gathered together for the chin. So how do we do this? Get your material, where the opening, you basically pull it apart, so you get the two joining kind of match, and then you have this edge. So run your fingers to make that edge, so you get a quite obvious middle line. Okay, so keep it like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the machine and stitch that down. I'm going to show you where to position it. So what we're doing is roughly a cm, half an inch. So what we're doing is we're stitching it straight down. Okay. So what we're doing here is we're actually going to sew the chin area. So it will curve around our chin once we're wearing the mask. So this is the setup. So that's the opening of the mask. So you can tell that's where it's open. So I already put the material into the machine. So the needle's already down, foot are down. So this is what is the setup. So I actually have the machine. This is about half of an inch. So that's what the distance between the needles and the material. So it's half an inch in width. Okay, so that's there to there, and then the depth is actually 3/4 inch. So you can see by this clip. So that is, and all we're going to do is we're going to stitch down and reverse a little bit, so this will be stitched down. Okay, and it's going to be a chain stitch action again. So I've done another video which I will build in so you can see what's happened from another angle. So exactly the same. So once you've done that, this is where most of you are going to say, what? So I'm actually get my material. So this is, I'll reverse it onto the color side so you can see it. So that's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed the next piece into it. So, but like so. Literally you remove, so make sure needles are up, remove that, kind of feed that in. So what I've done is on the plate I know where to go, so I'm using this edge as my guide and reference, so I don't have to every time remove my material. So I'm doing the chain action again without cutting my thread off. So this is one lot done. So I do exactly the same. I cut everything out from my bunting. So chain of action. So literally I'm doing exactly the same on the other side. So make sure you do your reverse right at the end. So that's it, that's the 8th done. But of course I need to go back to the very first one because that's the one. Only just done one side, so I'll take that off and then do the very last one. So voila, that's all the nose bridge complete.